To add a new access panel, go to Devices and click the Add icon. Here you will see instructions on configuring the panel before adding it. First, let's make sure our panel is set up correctly. You can access your panel's web server by typing the IP into your browser. Once there, you can input the default password and click Sign In. Make sure it has the correct network settings and a DNS. Then click on Push Server Settings and select Domain Mode. Input the necessary domain, click Confirm, and reboot. Once the panel comes back online, go back to the Add Device page and input the serial number of the device. Name the device, select an access level, and the site to assign it to, then click Add. After a few moments, the panel will come online and show under the device list. The panel has now been successfully added, and you can see the real-time events coming in.